Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit pick lists in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we need to go to setup, and from here, we will be able to start managing our objects. So in the objects manager, and if you don't find it here in your tabs, you can just go to the quick find and search for object manager and click on it, and then you will need just to choose the field that you want to modify. So if the pick list that you need is in the account objects, you will need just to go to account objects, fields and relationships, and from here you will find the data type. So we can search for any pick lists, and this is the ownership that has a field pick list, and basically you will need just to click on it. And basically now we need just to search for the values for our pick list. So as you can see, those are our values in the pick list. And all you need to do is just choose the value. And from here, you can edit the value, you can reorder them, you can create new value, or you can do whatever you want. So we can click on edit on this value, and basically it will take you to the label of the value and its API name. You can change its color, etc. You can also add your own value, and here you can uh, add as many values, and those are some record type that you can add. And simply you will need just to start setting up or modifying on this value uh, section, and you will be able to modify your pick list in Salesforce. So thank you for watching and see you next time.